Shreya Soni. I am from Mumbai. I've done my graduation from Mirabai College in Mumbai. I was doing a lot of research on social media to find the best makeup academy. I came to know about SMA Academy from Instagram and Facebook. I had enrolled for professional bridal program, which included beauty makeup and bridal makeup. They taught me everything from scratch, like how beginner makeup artist, the things a beginner should know. So that was from the basic. The teaching method at Academy was really good. Instructors are really professional. They are really experienced. So they give their best so that we can learn a lot. We have a really good atmosphere, a really good ambience in the academy. So it doesn't feel like you are going to a school. It's very friendly. The people are really good. The management team is really good. So you enjoy and learn at the same time. Teachers' guidance is really good. They make sure they bring up the best in you. They are really friendly, they are really professional, and you also get individual attention basically to learn. I am currently freelancing as a makeup artist, so I do brides as it's a bridal season right now, wedding season, and also I do makeup for editorial shoot. HR assistant is really good at SMA, as after the course they also give you a career guidance course where they give you knowledge about the career scope, how you can enroll, how you can move ahead with your knowledge, where you can apply it, and they really help you to build your resume, and it really helped me a lot. So whatever I am today, it's because of SMA Academy. Course has really helped me grow as a makeup artist. I was someone whose makeup used to be a kajal and lipstick, that's it. SMA Academy has really helped me to apply makeup professionally. They have given me different product knowledge, so I know the difference between the brands, the products, and the way the makeup has to be done. Whatever I am today, it's because of SMA Academy itself. So enrolling at SMA Academy for makeup was one of my best decisions. So if you are a beginner or you are someone who is aspiring to get into the makeup field, I would really suggest you to join SMA Academy. There are no words to say thanks, but thanks a lot. Thank you everyone. Thank you SMA Academy.